Welcome to our channel How to Guide Everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can find the promo code of AliExpress, and by using the promo code you guys can get a certain percent of discount on your checkout on AliExpress. So follow the steps to find the promo codes, and before that hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos like this. First step, you want to go to this site called Coupon Follow. So search for Coupon Follow and the first option, click on it. Once you do that, it'll take you to the official website of Coupon Follow. Once you're over here at top versus search, you want to write AliExpress. Once you write AliExpress, it should show you aliexpress.com at the bottom like this. Click on it and it's going to bring you over here. Once you're over here, it's going to show you multiple coupon code which you guys can use in AliExpress. So choose the coupon code you want. Let's say I want this one. I can click on show coupon code and the code is going to be shown to me. Now I can copy this and paste it during the checkout time in AliExpress to activate this coupon code and use it. So yeah, that's how you guys can find AliExpress coupon code. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.